All right, now to a warning. This is a clothes dryer lint tray. Now, firefighters say you need to clean the lint out of this tray every single time you do a load of laundry in the dryer. Easy enough, right? This is part of a dryer duct system. Often this is concealed, snaking through ceilings and walls, and over time, lint can become lined in here, creating the potential of a fire.
By the time you see the flames,
911 emergency. What is your emergency?
the fire rages at 1,000 degrees.
It's just like a chimney. The flow of heat's going to go in the least resistance.
A monster feasting on your furniture,
Our dryer just caught on fire.
revealing a hidden danger. Clothes lint built up inside a dryer vent,
Yeah, a lot of stuff.
turning the tube into a tinderbox ready to spark.
When I got here, the smoke was pouring out of the windows.
Jim Ellison raced home to find his house on fire. His wife escaped.
I have animals in the house. It is really going fast.
It started in the laundry room. The same thing happened at this house in Greenwood, Missouri. Across the country, nearly 17,000 dryer fires spark a year, killing 51 people.
We could have been carrying people out in body bags.
So we teamed up with the Fire Prevention Association and recreated a typical laundry room. Watch as the lint catches fire, how quickly the flames spread.
And we're going to end up catching the clothes on fire outside the dryer. You can see the change in the room. Clothes are going to catch. And we're going to go to an untenable situation in here in a few minutes.
Robert Berry works to prevent dryer fires.
On occasion, we'll even find charred lint in a system where a fire attempted to engage.
His Overland Park-based company, Full Service Chimney, professionally cleans dryer vents.
A blocked vent is like a hand on a hairdryer. All that heat could eventually ignite the lint, which is why you need to have a clean passageway so the air can exit.
And cleaning the lint tray is just the beginning, especially in winter weather when drying heavy blankets and sweaters.
We don't know if a system has impingements that make it more prone to lint buildup.
Berry advises the whole duct system needs to be professionally cleared every 12 to 24 months. Here are signs you may be in danger. Clothes take a long time to dry. The dryer gets extra hot, and a burning smell near the dryer.
If you hear any different noises in the dryer itself, to have it checked before it's too late.
If a fire does start, it is often concealed, smoldering, before it erupts.
Whether it be an attic, a floor, and a wall, so the fire has time and opportunity to gain a foothold before being observed.
Dryer fires cost homeowners $236 million in property damage nationwide. Nearly 400 people are injured. But simple steps now can smother the risk before it happens to you.
A lot of times we like to put things off, but taking care of those items is a thing that's real important to make sure your home stays safe.
Now, it takes about $200 to $400 to have it professionally cleaned, the dryer duct system. You need to do it again every 1 to 2 years, according to experts. It's not just the fire risk that we're talking about here, but it's also economically more efficient to have a clean dryer system, Rhiannon. They say that even just saving money in the energy costs, so the dryer isn't working extra hard, can save you money as well as a risk of a potential fire.
Okay, is there also a good and a bad time to do laundry? Can you sneak a load in when you go to bed or if you're leaving the house and to the dryer?
We've had the same debate, right? You cannot turn the dryer on when you're not inside the house and when you're not there to monitor what's happening, because if something like that does spark up, you want to be there to remedy it as soon as possible. So they say don't turn it on right before bed tonight if you have a load of laundry in. You want to turn the dryer off. And if you're getting ready to leave the house, you don't want to have that either.